Now here in the template library, we can see that there's already two filters applied, the photography filter and the portfolio filter. That's because before I have decided to create a photography website here on Squarespace. And by applying these filters, we get 23 different website templates that we can start with to create our photography portfolio website. Now we can also delete these filters to get more different website templates that we can start with, but I recommend to actually use those filters to just see the templates that are actually applicable to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and activate the portfolio filter once again, then I'm gonna scroll down and I'm actually gonna select weddings because that's kind of the website I wanna create. And now we can see that there is one template left for this category and it says wedding photographer based in Charleston, South Carolina. So this would be exactly what I would be looking for if I were to create a portfolio website for a wedding photographer. Now when we click on it, we can check it out here, the desktop version. We can also go to the mobile version right here and see what that looks like. We can also click on the different buttons on this website and kind of see what the different pages look like and just see if that's kind of the design that we'd like to go for a website. We can also play around with different colors right here and see how we can change up the design a little bit. And here by clicking on view demo site, we can also actually open up this template and just interact with it as if we were a visitor for this website.